Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki Paidbah ki bayat bayeng Khyndailad ki lakir Tawiar ban Paidkai Haba ke Phlim Telegu na Hyderabad kelawan Ringdur hapdeng surok Khyndailad Shillong kebelayat mentakasi. Kani ke Phlim Telegu na South India kedai kebelai kerteng Baba Black Sheep kebela penmi da ke Citra Layam Studios kebela long try de venue Doni Pudi bat bela direct de Guni. Kani ke Phlim ke khana ke Shapang ki Kampentrium Haba Ringdur haduk Khandai 4% Meghalaya bat 10% Hyderabad. Ki jaka bakani ke Phlim kan lej Ringdur kilong kum hasora dauki bat Shillong. Ka jaka ba Ringdur kedai hakmat jong ke biju cinema Shillong yak balai I baki kamera ki jingpen syai ki upload hapding surok ban phaak uting shop ban kepuran ban syong ha thok kat baki samla khasi ki be shiminta hani ke Phlim ki don ki batem ya ke bom bat ki leken hoi. Watla ki bol penya jong ke Phlim kim sha ban Ringdur Hendai om shmnala bante lakam namar baro ki breo ki bat laki phone kila Ringdur bet namar ka deka jaka Paidbah. Haba yo banekran bat utrai jong ni ke Phlim uvenu Doni Pudi ulai khuble ka sarkar Meghalaya ka jinglam konrat ki sangma ku menteri rang ba ka jila bat yu Vijay Kumar commissioner and secretary kitna tourism kibla sha snobha banwan Ringdur she Meghalaya. Ulong ba jingwan Ringdur ka ni ke Phlim Meghalaya ka long ban kentia ka kam jong kai perthai ya ka jingi tanat ka maryang balapun kre ban pelaj baro ki cinema ke leng ke perthai ke banlong la shamsnam shu la pentep bakinong shimenta na Telegu kinlong shispa ngut bat la jiet palat 8000 ngut ki samla na Meghalaya ban shimenta.
Donepudi. I am from Chitralayam Studios from Hyderabad, and we are shooting a film called Baba Black Sheep, which is a Telugu film. And the entire film is going to be shot in Meghalaya to cover the beauty and the nature and the culture of Meghalaya. So, thanks to Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Conrad Sangma and Dr. Vijay Kumar for supporting us and encouraging us to come here and do the film, which indeed I think is going to be released across the world, and it would reach global audience. So we'll be very happy when we see tourism and other things develop in the state. And the reason we chose Meghalaya is because it's untouched. The nature, the beauty of it is just amazing. So we are very happy that we chose this film entirely to be shot here to encourage many other film producers from South India to come here and do more films here. So and so far the experience has been very great. So we have shot in Sora, Chirapunji for about 10 days and covered the areas around, little bit in Daki, and now in Shillong for the last 4-5 days.
Shillong Police Bazaar.
In the Police Bazaar currently, and we are doing in the college campuses and Watts Lake, and also covering the Cherry Blossom Festival. Yeah, so we are here till 23rd, and we look forward and to having all your support. And the beauty of Meghalaya, other than the nature, are the people. So people have been very supportive, and they were very kind, very supportive, and we are very happy with them and the hospitality they have shown on us. So we look forward to entertain you. So we will also release the film in Kasi language when the release date is confirmed early next year. So totally we are about 100 people from Hyderabad, and we local we have closely in the entire film around 2,000 people. 2,000 people, yes. Yeah. So we are also encouraging a lot of young people, talented people in the state. That would be actors, musicians, many other people who want to be part of the film.
Who is the director?
It's a first-time director, so we are introducing him. His name is Mr. Guni. Actor, the cast, there are many people from Bollywood, from Marathi, from Telugu, from Tamil. So many actors who are involved, because it's a crime comedy film. Lead act, we have 3 lead actresses, and one is from Telugu called Vishmaya, and then we have Malvi Malhotra from Bombay, and we have Samruddhi Ariel from Nepal, and lead actor Akshay Lagusani, Vishnu Ori, Upendra Limai, Tino Anandji. So we have been into filmmaking business for almost 9 decades. So we have done many other hill stations and other locales that in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and all. I'm a big traveler myself. So and I know Northeast states were untouched and unexplored. The beauty here is something that people have to see. So that's the main intention. And the moment we called great support from the government here, so immediately they encouraged us and they said, please come and see the locales. So we came, saw the locations, and we have set up the story in such a way that everything is happening in Shillong.
Yes.
In every place, in friend circle, in family, in every place, there will be one black sheep.
Oh, black sheep.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's why we chose, and it's easy to pronounce. It is funny. So now you are smiling when you say Baba Black Sheep.
Black sheep.
Yeah, that's all we want people to see. And once you see the film, then you will see the beauty of Meghalaya and in how the story is embedded into that, and who would be the black sheep. Kuble Meghalaya. We look forward. Thank you again for the support.